All right, let's move on. Indian Air Force Chief AP Singh has revealed that India destroyed 8 to 10 Pakistani fighter jets, including the US-made F-16s, Chinese JF-17s, and even a surveillance plane during May's hostilities. Now, the IAF chief, speaking at the 93rd Air Force Day celebrations, also dismissed claims about the Indian jets, remember, being destroyed, calling them Manohar Kahaniya, which means fascinating tales by Pakistan. Now, the Indian Air Force chief also said that Operation Sindoor forced Pakistan to ask for that ceasefire that we did see. But what exactly did the IAF chief say during that press conference? Listen in to AP Singh.
As far as Pakistan losses are concerned, I think it was very clear. It was clearly spelled out in the initial debriefs also that we have struck a large number of their airfields, and we've struck a large number of their installations. And what we have gathered from whatever intel reports we have got is that on ground, because of our strikes, there have been radars at least 4 places, command and control centers at 2 places, runway, of course, damaged at 2 places. Then 3 of their hangars in 3 different stations have been damaged. And in that hangar, as well as on tarmac, we have signs of one C-130 class of aircraft, one AEW&C class of aircraft, and at least 4 to 5 fighter aircraft, most likely F-16, because that base happened to be F-16, which would have been under maintenance that time. Along with that, one SAM system, which has been destroyed. And so these are the strikes that, the destruction that has taken place on ground by our strikes. And as far as air defense part is concerned, we have clear evidence of one long-range strike, which I talked about, more than 300 kilometers, which happens to be either an AEW&C or a SIGINT aircraft. Along with that, 5 fighters that high-tech fighters between F-16 and JF-17 class is what our system tells us. Now, coming to the third one.
All right, let's also tell you how Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi also gave a stern warning to Pakistan, saying the neighboring country must stop supporting terrorism if it wants to exist on the world map. Let's listen in.
इस बार वो संयम नहीं रखेगा जो सिंदूर 1.0 में हमने संयम रखा। इस बार हम आगे की कार्रवाई करेंगे और कुछ ऐसी कार्रवाई करेंगे कि हो सकता है पाकिस्तान को सोचना पड़े कि उसे इतिहास में भूगोल में रहना है कि नहीं रहना। अगर उसे भूगोल में अपनी जगह बनानी है तो उसके लिए उसे जो स्टेट स्पॉन्सर टेररिज्म जिसको हम बोलते हैं, यानी कि उसका देश जो टेररिज्म को स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है उसे रोकना पड़ेगा।
All right, sharp remarks coming in, but let me also take that across in terms of a report that was filed earlier by consulting editor of Times Network, Srinjoy Chowdhury, as far as more insights as to how we're looking at this, and more importantly, the timing of how this has been decoded as well, isn't it?
Air Chief Marshal AP Singh, head of the Indian Air Force, making it very clear, telling the world what actually happened during those 4 days of Operation Sindoor. He said that about a dozen Pakistani Air Force planes were destroyed. There were fighters, there were also AEW planes, and also a C-130 transport plane. Overall, some were destroyed in the air, some were destroyed on the ground, and he says that if you include all the planes together, it adds up to about a dozen planes. A dozen planes destroyed during those 4 days of fighting, making it very clear that India did what it had to do, and India could have done even more.